making a...
Oh, there's a guy over there if you want someone to scan it.
Oh, yeah. Wait, where?
Yeah.
All right, so today we're dismantling this whole desk and we're gonna revamp this whole setup. Starting off with getting all this schmutz off the table. Oh, and I gotta move this fridge next to the window because I'm not gonna have space for this here anymore because I need room for the door when I open it. So enough talk. Okay, so first things first, let's disconnect stuff up here. That, and then display port, and that needs to come out. This thing needs to do the same thing. Get that out. I am gonna have to get a monitor stand. I don't like using these OEM bases that these monitors came with because it just takes up more space on the desk. But for now, I gotta live with those for a bit. All right, I'm under the desk. I'm trying to undo a lot of these cables. Oh God, yeah, the cable net, tacky ass cable net almost fell on me. Yeah, I need to like disconnect a lot of things. Oh God, I don't even want to get up. Surely we're getting there. I did kind of coiled all the wires for the speakers, and I'm probably gonna have to undo all this coiling so I could feed it back up the desk. Maybe I could fit the could I fit? Never mind, I second guessed myself. I actually was able to do it. Yeah, there you go. Fuck out of here. Now I have to like, I'm gonna have to go through all those wires later. Damn it. Oh, all right, well, it's all cleared. Now, right now, I have my trusty LTT screwdriver. I'm gonna start dismantling. Oh wow, that was loose. I'm gonna start dismantling these screws and go from there. I could probably use power tools, but I don't want to have to go through the hassle of looking for a drill right now. And I kind of want to put this screwdriver through its paces. Since I'm here, might as well use this plastic bag, keep all the hardware organized. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I know I'm gonna lose shit. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to zip this thing up. I'm gonna tape it to the desk downstairs so that way when I go and assemble things when the time is right, all the hardware is in one place. All right, so here I am in my garage, not committing felonies, that's what I'm not doing. So I moved the desk down here because I obviously don't have any room upstairs, or I might just give it away, I don't know. I need to get rid of that, those cabinets over there, at least half of them. But yeah, that's for a different day, but I'm just gonna set this thing up and then I'm gonna go back upstairs right now and then I'm gonna work on part of the desk. Frame is already assembled. Now, the whole desk is, oh my God, there's so much more room here. Now that the desk is gone, I'm gonna move this computer out. I'm gonna move this chest out. I'm gonna put the fridge against this wall. Progress report. I found a picture of me when I went airsofting with friends. Anyway, I need to clean up this freaking room. It's dirty as shit and dusty. I guess this is like the perfect opportunity because I haven't really vacuumed in a while. Get this shit out of here. I don't want this fucking foe. Anyway, onto, oh yeah, there's my PC, by the way. You guys never really get to see it, but there you go. There's that janky RTX 3070 that the RGB does not work anymore. Unfortunately, I think it has something to do with the orientation of the GPU. I'll get that fixed eventually, or I'll probably buy a new GPU. Okay, well, this is where we're at. Computer, fridge. Something caught my attention when I moved the fridge, not the fridge, the PC on the fridge. I think I may need to clean underneath the PC. From the dust filter? We're gonna pull that out right now. Oh God. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, oh. Good thing I brought the vacuum back in. God. Oh, this thing is heavy. But we're gonna be building the drawer unit. Whew. Oh man. Now I know why it was so heavy. I got a lot to take apart here. What the heck is this? I don't know. Don't care. Oh God. It's like wood pieces in there. So right now we're doing the drawers. LTT screwdriver yet again. Yeah. So yeah, this screwdriver is coming in clutch. Check this out. All right. So I gotta make sure that I'm gonna put these in the right spots. So I gotta do. Let's see here. This is the inner part. So this has to go out here. All right. Check this shit out. Ready? One-handed. While I hold this camera up. Snug it up. Boom, perfect. I'm doing it exactly as how the instructions tell me. Everybody doesn't read the manual. Well, I fucking do, because I'm not an idiot, and I don't want to screw this up. So, oh, I love this thing so much. This is great. And then here's another one. Yeah. I just want to show off how nice this screwdriver is. If you guys haven't picked up one of these, I recommend these. LTT screwdriver. Yeah, it's like $70, but for the money that you're paying, you're buying quality. Like, this is actually really better, and it's visually appealing compared to like all the screwdrivers you buy at like Home Depot. So pick one up today. Not sponsored, by the way. All right, progress update. I got one drawer in. Oh, and I built the entire case, right? It's getting a little dark in here. I'm just gonna keep continuing until I get this thing completely assembled. And then I think tomorrow I'll call for help to get the tabletop, because that shit's heavy. There we go. Done. Now I have one more end of the desk before I can bring the tabletop up here. Great. And it's already like, what time is it? It's like 8 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna go get some food really quick because I'm kind of hungry. All right, well, I've just finished getting back from my little, I guess, dinner break. So we're back at it again. And this time we're building a cabinet. All right, here we go. Another one. Cabinet. Yeah. So, actually, why did I toss the instructions? Am I stupid? All right. Took a little tuning on the hinges, but you know, I got it. It's done. We're ready to go. I just need to get that tabletop up here. And there you go. All right, what's inside this box is the cable management tray, and I'm gonna show you really quick what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. How I'm gonna mount this thing, I have no idea, but it's in theory supposed to hide all my cords. All right, so next morning, I brought up the tabletop. Actually, I had help. There you go. I'm not gonna show their faces because no credit. Anyway, yeah, do the honor slaves. Okay, this was what it could look like if I stopped bullshitting around. Oh god, that's off. Titties. Ah, get out of here.
You didn't know.
What the fuck? Oh, you had the gun. Oh my god. Alright, thank you for helping me with the table, yeah. Anyway, now I gotta bolt it. Alright, first things first. We need to get the little screws that go to this. So the screws that I'm talking about are these. These are what attach the cabinet and the drawers to the tabletop via 2 screws there, and then there's like 2 over there. All right, I didn't show it on camera, but I had to move the fridge out the way so I can get the drawer out because I didn't have enough space in there to fully pull the top drawer out so I could put the anchor bolts in. So that's done. Now I'm moving on to this thing. And this is a little bit trickier because I wasn't expecting the outlet to be behind the cabinet. So I had to compromise. Luckily there's like a slight gap over there for wires. So I'm thinking about making it match on this side, on that side. So I'll work on that once I'm done bolting, and I gotta figure out the whole cable management thing. I'm trying to make it clean. And so far I gotta deal with these wires too. It's just a lot of wiring. I hate my life. All right guys, after a lot of pain and suffering, this is the final result. look at that shit. Oh my god. Oh, this looks so much nicer than what I started off with. Oh man. I'm so happy. Like, it's so much cleaner. There's a lot less like junk that's no longer on the floor. And it just feels like I can actually stay focused without worrying about all the clutter that was originally on this thing. I moved my PC onto the fridge because originally this thing was already on that little toy chest next to the window. And well, I like this position because now that it's elevated, it's actually in parallel with the fan blowing air out to the atmosphere, causing more global warming. But yeah, perfect placement, even though most of the heat gets vented out through the radiator on the top of this thing. But yeah, here's a little quick look at my cooling setup right there. There you go. It's a height case. See, my RGB doesn't even work on my graphics card. My graphics card's currently idle, so it's not playing any games, so obviously the fans aren't spinning. But there you go. And then if I want to hot swap my peripherals with my keyboard and mouse, I have my mouse and keyboard hooked up to this Anchor dock. I could easily like unplug this USB-C, plug into the laptop, and then I can switch to my laptop view on my computer screen. Even though I'm only going to be able to use one monitor, that's all I really need, especially since mainly all I do on that thing is just play video games, especially when I'm not home. But yeah, this is the final result. All my other nonsense shit is in the drawers. I have my little I have a little dedicated snack drawer right there. All those goodies I got from Japan. I wish I bought more though. And then in here I have my Switch, my Steam Deck. My leg just cracked. I'm old. My valuable guns, airsoft, by the way, airsoft guns. A little Beyblade anniversary set in the back. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, and then I have everything all cable managed in, well, mostly. I have loose cables mainly because I take this laptop to and from the desk a lot. So I like to have something to easily hot swap like cords and stuff like that when I need to. But majority of the cords for the main PC, for the monitors, the speakers, and the PC itself are down in the little box down there. I am running 2 subs and 2 speaker setups. I have the Razer soundbar, and then I have my old Logitech speakers, which, believe it or not, are from 2008. These are like almost 20-year-old speakers, and they're still going strong. And it just goes to show, old Logitech speakers for the win. I've been reusing those for years, and yeah, amazing. And then obviously, you know, I'm a NIKKE gooner, so I have everything all Red Hood themed. Even my mouse pad is Red Hood themed. I'm not happy with the LED strip. I wish that this was a little bit more straight, but I think the longer I leave it, you know, straight on the desk, like lay on the desk, maybe it'll reform itself. I don't know. I mean, I had it rolled up for the longest time, but there you go. This whole setup from IKEA. Well, mainly the desk, but all my stuff has been with me for a while. I might do a little overview of all the tech that I have, because I have a lot that I would like to share. I would like to share with you guys on this channel. Wasn't cheap, but hey, the props of working at a dealership. So there you go. Finished product. I'm tired. It's already Sunday and I go back to work tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.